Today I'm going to talk about the importance of learning English. The importance of learning English can be described in language and worldwide people depend highly on English. Now, its importance is broad, not only in our country but also in importance of learning English in most of the countries in the world. And you know that English is the first language of so many countries in the world. If you go build a relationship in the world, once you want to cross the border, you have to know how to speak English. If you go of so many countries in the world and don't know how to speak English, English is so communicative in the with the people, and English is so communicative in the world. You have to learn, improve yourself, and you have to learn so grammatical rules. That's all for the timing. Thank you very much for speaking, brothers and sisters. See you again until the office.